Did you know that you can save lakhs of rupees on taxes just by repaying your education loan? Yes, under Section 80E of the Income Tax Act, you can claim tax deductions on the interest paid on the education loan for up to 8 years. But how does it work? Who can claim this benefit? And how much you can actually save? Hi everyone, I am Simran, co-founder at Epicred and your trusted guide through the education loan process. In today's video, I'll explain you what exactly is Section 80E and how it works, who is eligible to claim the tax reduction, how much you can save with real life examples, how to claim this benefit step by step, and some insider tips to maximize your savings. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll share a common mistake that many borrowers make, which can cost them their tax benefits. So let's get started. Section 80E of the Income Tax Act allows you to claim the tax reduction on the interest portion of your education loan. This means that the interest you pay on your education loan is tax-free. And the good thing is there is no upper limit on the amount you can claim. Along with this, the deduction is available for 8 years or until the loan is fully repaid, whichever is earlier. But do remember that only the interest amount is eligible for the deduction, not the principal loan amount. Now let's understand who can actually claim the tax benefits under Section 80E of the income tax. First, if you have taken an education loan for higher studies either in India or abroad. Second, if the loan is taken for yourself, your spouse, your children or a legal guardian, can claim it for you. Third, if the loan is taken from the bank, financial institution or an approved NBFC, not from the family or friends. So if your parents or spouse have taken the loan for your studies, they can claim the tax benefit too. Now let's talk about the actual savings. For example, student loan for the Indian studies, the loan amount is 10 lakhs and the interest rate is 10%. So your monthly EMI would be 12,000 per month. And the total interest that you will be paying in a year would be 80,000. And if you fall under 20% tax slab, you can save 16,000 per year in taxes just by claiming Section 80E benefits. And multiply this over 8 years, that's a tax saving of 1.28 lakh. Now let's take another example of a student loan for studying abroad. Let's say the loan amount is 30 lakhs and the interest rate is 10.5%. The EMI would be 35,000 per month and the interest paid in a year would be 3 lakhs. If you fall under 30% tax slab, you can save 90,000 per year in taxes. That's a massive saving of 7.2 lakhs over 8 years. Imagine how much this can help you manage your finances post-graduate. So now that you know how much you can save, here is how to claim the tax reduction. Step 1. Get your interest certificate from the lender. Your lender will provide a loan interest certificate showing how much interest you have paid in the financial year. Step 2. Claim the tax reduction while filing your ITR. So while filing your income tax return, enter the interest amount paid under Section 80E in the deduction section. Step 3. Keep your documents ready. Always keep copies of your loan agreement, payment receipts and interest certificate as proof in case of tax verification. Now I'll quickly take you through some of the insider tips to maximize your savings. Tip number 1. Make partial prepayments to reduce the interest. Since only the interest is tax deductible, it makes sense to pay off your principal faster while keeping your interest amount higher in the first few years. This ensures that you maximize your tax savings. Tip number 2. If your parents took the loan, let the higher taxpayer claim the benefits. If your parents or spouse took the loan for you, the one with the higher taxable income should claim the tax reduction to save the most out of the taxes. For example, if your father is in the 30% tax bracket and your mother is in 10% bracket, your father should claim the benefit to maximize tax savings. Tip number 3. Don't forget to claim it every year for 8 years. Many borrowers forget to claim the tax reduction after a few years, missing out on lakhs in savings. So always set a reminder every year while filing your ITR to claim your 80E tax reduction. Now I'll take you through some of the common mistakes that you need to avoid. Mistake number 1. Assuming the principal amount is tax deductible. Always remember that only the interest paid on the loan qualifies for the deduction, not the actual loan amount. Mistake number 2. Not getting the interest certificate from the lender. Without this document, you cannot claim the tax deduction, so make sure to get it before the tax filing deadline. Mistake number 3. Taking a loan from family or friends. Loans from family, relatives or any other informal sources do not qualify for 80E tax benefits. So in order to get the deduction, make sure that you take your education loan only from a bank, NBFCs or the government approved lender. So to sum it up, Section 80E always allows you to claim tax deduction on the interest paid on the education loan, and the best part is there is no maximum limit on the deduction amount. The more interest you pay, the more you save on taxes, and the deduction is available for 8 long years or until the loan is repaid, whichever comes first. Make sure to get your interest certificate from the lender and file your ITR correctly to claim this benefit. At Epic Red, we help students and parents find the best education loan deals from 15 plus lenders while ensuring that you maximize your tax benefits. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment section, and if you need more guidance, you can directly reach out to our expert loan counselors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more education loan insights. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.